Baby and mummy cat want to eat burger. We put sauce. After that, we put onion slices, small and big one. Next, we add patty, chicken patty, big one and small one. Next, we put fried eggs. Next one, we add salad slices, cucumber slices. Next one, we put some spicy ketchup. After that, we increase its taste with cheese slice. At the end, we cover with bread. Wow, yummy! Eat them! Learn colors. Purple, yellow, red. They want to go at your hands. Purple at here. Yellow at here. Red at here. Now they are hungry. They want to eat fruits. Red apple, yellow pear, purple grapes. This one kitten get grapes, purple grapes. And this one yellow pear. This one red apple. Now they want to get twice. Yellow duck, purple teddy bear, red doll. This one get teddy bear, purple teddy bear. Yellow duck at here. This one yellow duck. Red doll at here. Wow!